bola nana kwazo unyala wunda faru agbazo dombera sukan bola nana kwazo unyala wunda faru agbazo dombera
etiefo nana kwazo aso na mo obia tidi we ya nana kwazo hoy na nana kwazo mi egonjani me fruda mango me ma mi so frumpa ha aye adwuma panti na mi ya sesi ya nana kwazo aye nipa bia na wo hwehwe na me wo tamale me branch ba ku bi so wo yape me wo yape na tamale sesi ya me pese de wo hwe TV station we ni nyina omuma omonim da ho malanfo anase comfort de omu yi TV station say omu chami sika ma amanfo no ye bi munti na omu PSA TV station no ube mu obi kura no di mobile phone ko wuro mo akotwa program sa na ma no ehye ebufo too much na de omu tena TV station say ni 1 million na unji 2 million no omunti na me ba TV station we no me pese etiefo de wo hwe TV station ni nyina ma wonim da ho wo ma comfort bi ko yi ni fia na say cars abe kire TV station na wa kire say nipa no wakita tumi nde eyebufo pa na ema mi pie TV station we no da Kenya de na mbe pie TV station we but me pese de omo from ho say mo ye mala for comfort no ade achi wuchi TV station wo be hu comfort be billions obi asore o say mala obi asore o say we comfort wo ko pastor side so a obi asore o friend ho say we pastor ana say o ye comfort sa nema ni nyina ne emma sesi a ye nipa na ekita tumi no kura ye pie TV station ebuo bia ni ho de obekasa ase eno ano no mala ubeko mala na bi ho afa na wa ya adwuma na ma koto lafinta bra koto oil bra oil na lafinta no be body no kura wudi the whole world won't minye ombeka se kwayese sesi obi abefra okra no a odi ka yakọ bebi no mo gine sika obi abefra mi ogo odi kwa yakọ bebi no mo gine sika mo hwe TV station we ye o TV station no emboam mo chi TV station de bia wo cha malanfo konfo mi akasa na mi kasa se no mi wogidie se mbeti mi aboa manfo because adwuma no efrifie enya abonte adwuma mi yesore damango dia mikro mankasa de omo me no uko damango na opese ubisa na nagbozo history a uko damango ube hu me history mi fie ankasa no duro fie na damango the whole damango me papa obi anim say me papa o ye champion ewo sunsumu adwuma so enye se afe na ube na TV station wo ko nkofo bi wo ka fefefe ana fie fefefe wo so wo di hu yet say wo ko pepo da bia na blue bia gugu onim say wo twa program o pese ube hu ni face maybe eba police station na say asem bia na watimia anye ni face wo ko am boys wo ho sa adwuma no kosi asem wudi buo ba nipa no ho a na oba be ya adwuma ne se dien se wu mala no ankasa o we ho na me ba ye no de obeye na we enye ya na wo hu se nipa na ya adwuma na ma mi se no nipa bebre timi pictures ijiji amanfo sika pa wo social media de bia me ka mi use Facebook de obeye se chi na lagbozo wo Facebook se me wo ko seni scammer no ana wo yese nipa no e scammer mi akasa mi videos amanfo edit mi videos ade share YouTube no mujiji amanfo sika me friend mo omudidi matem na me si mi shesa na ma wenti na makunipa that ke 30 minutes but mi kunipa de bia amanfo friend me London America UK the whole country no mo friend me omudi so complain no mami but who show me Facebook a me pacho na wo chat me wo Facebook a enye na nagbozo ho na me wo ba ye no ana wo susu wo ba me ho a make sure say obi abisa o say wo go ho kire ne say wo go bra ho because wo bra ho na wo ko wo kire say wo ko na ho ana chifo me do bibia taxi drivers no kro omu be kire say omu wo malam bia na bebia okono mbe ye 419 no mo say wa juna jiusika omu jiusika u form sukura no mbe ju form account because omu pese obenye nipa na oba no hona friend na di complain mano so de obeba mi hono a wotana ka mu a obia bi say wo ko insurance wo ko chifo wo ko wo bra ho wo ka say wo ko na na ho ana say mi ko mala ho ana chifo omo di be kire say wo ko pedie mi obebi na mi di ubeko okwa omba ya waza 419 afi na obesu afrem say nana da no me ba ye na the bus station no omo ye mi say mi yes adwuma en ma adwuma nana gbozo why na nana gbozo wo ba mi ho na wo doubt ya ma mi mba me ma adwuma enye machine work spiritual work busum na media ma adwuma wo doubt say me ba ebeye ya wo mba wo ba busum na be hu say wo doubt dia wo ye no ba wo gidi a fa me number na wo frɛ me nyame ntunti bibia be ya ma wo hwɛ say wa kwa ha nti obi mo a wo be hu obi kura wo TV station na what he said to say wo ye Ghanaian movie no but minuamu mba na say mbe maso bi wo eye me so omu ni nyansa wo be hu say obi di fo makotwa picture wuro mu enye fie enye bibia na wo say bra na wo sori akono ho ti say obi be ka say me come north ewa say wo be hu obi Accra ho ana Kumasi ho na wako obeya waza Kumasi Accra takurade omo nyina omo petumia northern region ombeba beji odurako dia wa Accra ana Kumasi na oso konfo a nipa no kire no say ntro na watwa because to me wo northern region because to me ana omuka say northerness ye pentokwa ye woduro ye se no to me na ema sa na ema ni nyina sisi but obi kosi a dia di ne betwa ka bata malana bipenu obekire se ma nkrofo bi techima ma nkrofo bi a wo Kumasi ma nkrofo bi a wo Accra ma me ko no akwatra ya se omo ba ye wo 419 wo be unso obi mo pie TV station no mo di fridge aba besu ho se omo chamti sika wo kwa abe onu akasa ni sika na odi yes adwuma no omo ye computer editing so minuamu wo hwe ye na wako bebi a ombe ye obuka ombe ye total 419 me kasa no me jimi hu di se na me ba TV station ave kasa the whole world wo search me a www.com nana agbozo wo kwa wo be ko mi page no nye Facebook me ankasa mi page na mi use wo be hu mi story bibia wo so enye se ekom na edimi minim dia me ye mo be hu se obi a hihye sa na ma we kuntaya TV station ana obi a mo obi mu wo ha ove afe de obenye ska no yue na wo ye no hu se wo ye adro de wo titi no kura de nim se de wo kita tumi no a tumi wura no embo life edro nye life obi mu wo ha omu di life no mu se ebe mala wo be wo se mala bi wo ha na wo se o ya mala ade acha na wako mala ko tena ho na wu mala no ko wu busumni se obe wu se busumni wo ho na obo life dey na free life owuasi wu bu wi ankukọ si ate wonim die wo die ye 419 na wo die na wo bo bi ko si a dachi wu betua ka onipa ne beba be ya adwuma no afi na be che se koto oil koto lafenta koyese na wonim se sa na ma ni nyina beba ade na wan di kan aka kire ndada ba ye se wudi kan ka kire se wo ba wo betoto se enye se mu yusu mo adwen na mo dibu wo yankumu nde woye ya achina wochi susu ba wo wo fa wochi ko ebe ha wochi so we ya dwuma pa ama wo busefo a wo a dachi amafo be hwe wo yire no ba ma wo meti wo se no enya akom na etimi me ma tro message kura se me nko TV so bio because amafa ne say TV so no wo pia wo be advert ama wo but enye no na ɛyɛ adwuma no TV station ɛyɛ di kro na ɛyɛ sɛ wo kita tumi dia obetumi dia bo amanfo ɛyɛ sɛ we wo ho kyerɛ tifo but enye sɛ every blessed day wo nam TV so sɛ wo pɛ kwan na obefa so bu nipa kosia pastors omuji collection ne nema ne nyina ya fake no wo be bu obi a fa kwan pa so bu nipa no wo dia wo pɛ ne yiye mana na wo dia se da be ma wo obi pɛ muslim wo ye pure muslim na ya nipa na wo ni muslim fo asema de na mo frɛ muslim o mo frɛ nyame no wo ko muslim penyin bia ho sɛ o ye drum o be kyerɛ wo sɛ sa nema no mo sori o mo nim sa nema no aya ma na o market ekoso enu na ye pastors adwuma obi be ka sɛ o yare o yesi na wo bompa ya ma no na de o ye no na yi ya ma no ba se si a pastors fo sori a omo ye tumi me betimi ebie woni me betimi a wo ye cripple me betimi asoro sa de no eye eduro na mo yusi enu na ye frɛ busumfo ye frɛ ne sɛ gba no what the on frɛ gba ye adie na ye sɛ abetimi ya mo wasem sesi a pastor bia betimi aka sɛ wase obi yare wo sound a yare na wuduru fia yare na beba back pastor bia na wase obi yare na mba back a ontro no motwa aya mu yi yarefo wo be so obi ayete sɛ na nai niyefu asore wo yese no omo na adwene boni na ewo ne yem pastor bia ni wona obetimi asan yare aya a pastors for mudi amanfo ba amosori dem omosi mami preach yesel wa sore wa nanti se no omo be ko villages na mo ko invite sa na nipa no aba mu TV station no mo amount no mo di be ma sa krofo no busafo so mo fa ko no be advert man sa pastors no mo sa amanfo yare ma preach se no nipa na wa sore ananti o ye cripple na nye bie aye tricks no omo ko villages akọ invite sa na egma na ba obeye sa na o ma usika se fa ko akosa wo yare onim se ubewu busafo so nim se ubewu so me pese de o hwe TV station wo ni nyina ma wonim da ho wudi pastors wo chi na konfo chi a me do bibia wo be to mfie akọ aton cars ade akọ ma pastor ni na se konfo no mu de omo ne yiro mu omo enduane na wo de wo obremu de wo hwe TV station ni nyina jai pastor hwe na wo jai konfo hwe enye sa wo be to property ade akọ mo na wo yire no ba no mu enduane na wo de wo ahonkyere mu me pese the TV station the watch TV station we ni nyina no me pese obia na obehu mi na nabazo no see the America no enya no kura what invite me o TV station what you say se asem na ye obufuo pa na ye say me pese the o amuwo ho na mo see sa 2 minutes sika 2 minutes ni ho pocket no dra ni ho ade ani ho ni di susu eni ho tete ni yasori ya na nanom mo ye skadro kwan sa na first no kura ye betimi ye skadro ma obi ebe fa ni yira na ne ba ana na busafo obi na sika na ba wo be ye bicycle fit akro obi so sika no start ba na mo si adwuma we na esimesi e ba so sika no wo sesi a ye pese bet na TV station em bo de mo diskadro no mo wu but first no wo di aba obi diskadro na sika na ba wo wuo no wo be bre ansa na wo wu sesi na nema yi India aba na China oil lafintes na edi ye gusum adwuma wo betime di sa na ma na present nipo wu first no sikadro wo di mi yes kadro manipa na nji obi nkwan ba sesi na sa na ma ni pie no na etimi pie TV so aka na asem da ka ese wo pie TV station kura na wo ka se wo yes kadro a ese government ma mo lock you because sikadro tete no na mu use nipa na eji sikadro bagana lo mo a sa nema we eni lo mu as a spiritual work wo di be ye ku nipa na wo court for be kire se sa nema ne eni ho so me pese di o hwe TV station wo no a wo nua bi da ho a nyane no se Nana Agbazo be refusing pastors for ne bosom for or secret and there. Ne e bufo pa na make asa kire mo no. Ama for the complain about me too much. Pastors for no we be say amusi we ato Range Rover we to say no. Enye bibia collection ko no. Pastors bet make the collection a day. Sika na mudi be ko save bank. Omu di adaka na esi wone. Omu be ko bank kura police for di omochi na mo ko save sika no. Ama for sika collection ko no. Now see a pastor no iska or see a bursan wosi musika no di see a bursano. Muni nyansa ayesa munsua nyansa. Munipa ye nipa de ebe pie TV station abuo mu no. Mu se ye nipa. Eya ka no kure no. Omo bet na TV station na mo dressi. E no mu di dance besu o bashi na mo sa. No mo sere because omo de collection akotu ban. Oni ne yira japade no. Pastor bien no beka se 2 mi na okita no okita 2 mi no bo nipa esa wo kire pastor no so o entroni omu kokoji busuma di besi ho no mu di busum na ya wonwosem busum no mu koji wo no mu di busuma ya wonwosem what you say do obeka se sa na ma no nyina no nyame na ye ma no Jesus na ye ma no nipa no I am troni Sane mani nyine niho. I am drowning because we see who born in Panua. So see I'm be PJ TV station. I'm see who the stick atari fridge. And shirabeba wo be visa. Omo di visa no be ma and shirabeba ni nyine tro. Sika no monye but enye se omo fifre na emo omo sika no. Eyo mo yuso omo dwene ne nyansa na omo di biti wo no. Omu ko villages no ma ko sesa yarefo no ma tira mu se wo be advert ma me mbetu o se nde ya me pese me bia sori a mama 1 month wo be hu nipa dodo na be ebe o na ma bia TV station because of DNT sika na odi be kokotua na wo gige o ma ba na mo be witness amao na wa ko ya nwosem na e busum na mu die ye several times mako India ako meet pastors omumi ensabi but me pese mbebo omudi baby amiji 2 minu baako me ko ho no mususu wo ho no musu ye onua wusu ba na me si an ye de ensi ya adwuma obi anu se the whole world me ye busumne we pastor na e be hye no so enua de enyina be didinti na yesa so kita na secret mami why Sesi abi wo sesi ano omo di ma ya omo best friend na me no omo chati ene every blessed day ba Ghana ni nyina omo nipa na me bo omo di omo ya nipa tere Ghana ni nyina omo susu omo no omo ya pastors for di omo kita di ba kira bo so ndie ono de collection na ho no ogidi no wo kira say obabech original TV station say boy bi wo tamale omo friend Chief Agbazo obabe ka kira ne say on jai sa adwuma no no nko asore na mesi ne ma metwe enye akom na edimi me be fight for my right me be kasa my right way no bia hu se dia meka no enye akom na edimi na mekasa the Osho TV station we no me pese Osho TV station we a na obi njin di se me na Agbazo na makasa or invite me on the TV station na dia pastor bia be ye wo TV station no na ma yes adem na sa na mamu me who the whole world dia wo be hu se obi ye bibi o TV station frame me na wo say obi be ye pia TV station na wa ye action say na ma review so action ni secret amao pastor bia no so obi yare na wo say o free pastor no ba me be review so ni secret natural eye die na ehu me pese o manfo hu se aye 419 ana azano kwan bi no mudi nipa faso no wo ba ma so ya make sure say wo be hu mi ankasa ana wo be frame video call say wo pemboa make sure say wo friend na Agbazo no wo be hu no live on nie because cameras no mudi laptop no mudi mi pictures be yet to say mi ankasa na mo kasa background enye me wo di agro mbe di usika Mami no kasa na mi share background na wa hwe baby ami nam ni nyina fine na wo say Nana Agbazo ho na ukasa no amanfo di mpa na mekita no ko YouTube ana Facebook na wo ko search Nana Agbazo obi mu di mi video share no mo di different numbers atoto mi video no so many prepare na mekasa no and the other say busum sika ana sika do ni ho no maybe ne papa won di kwoti ba ko na e wo no wo ka say busum ni ho ana sunsuma adwuma ni ho bada ka ye si dem a ye punugu dem no e ko sia sempa na we bube TV station amusi 2 mini ho busum ni ho wo papa na e wo ho ana wo nana na e wo ho na wonim say wo 2 mini ana say wo ni 2 mini na wo di be sa amanfo yare a wo mbetna TV station na wo ya amanfo aza eye ya pa say and then me betna sikasa say no obi mbaga say minim Nana Agbazo wankasa me kasa by heart ba wo hye me egufu a me do bibia me betro wo say tumi bi sin tumi bi me betro wo say tumi bi sin tumi bi enye say akom na edimi na mbetna TV station we wo tie na obi mu frɛ wo di message ma wa eye ya too much go si asempa because me kasa no ban say Nana Agbazo ndem me kasa say no obi betro say Nana Agbazo no oye die nipa me pacho me pie gonja e wo damango what you say enye say adwuma na me yo no me define for one na adwuma bia na say me yesa for one na adwuma no adwuma wo ya busuma adwuma na me me tu ho say no nyame ntumi nti nyame ya hira me dada o mami me yire mo doso obi meka say Nana Agbazo no o kita yire mo sai me ti wo say sesia no me yire mo doso me nkwada mo doso enye say obi mu ba me ankasa me ba na mo wo mo so enye akom nya di me so me ba bia nko government school mo da mo me ba nkwada na ma wo ni nyina o mo ko private school e ba ne say na mo ko private school me ye busuma adwuma me pese me ba be sorry ono so be ka se o ye busuma adwuma dia mi di be bobo mo no se si akura me ye nipa na mi ni ho a o mbetimi ahwe nkwada no mo ekoduro mo wiye no mo so abenyine abo nipa so o mo si wo adia pa fa di pa no nsiesie wo ho ansana obi mbetimi apie se wo ya mala ni wo pe wo yira na se wo pe visa me be ya ma ana wo ye pastor na wo ko no kura no me bi ne yire kura no e baako de ka ni nyina no obo dwoman no wo chinchi nkora se no wo maybe ngwara na wo no kuro nim ko na mo fa so show mo dresses sane mani nyina enye no kwan so no wo bibia buafie ansa na wo bu abonte what you say ba mbega say Nana Agbazo o kasa bebre no wontibe ya action bia bebe ye one of two things no bia hu say enye anom na edi kasa nyame hira wa na o hira wo what you say so makasa bebre obi mu ho monti chino so ba mi so man ko school so ma make broken English di omoti o wan teach you no so o monti broken English because TV station ebe ko wi no. So right now I want to do some one of two actions because I talk a lot how I'm helping people. If you want the spiritual money ritual, instant money, some people they say that thing is not there. That people way is not there. Because if you don't know something, don't talk say the thing is not there. Or if you go some place and people do you 419, don't let that 419 confusing you. That thing is not there more. That thing is there. But if you didn't get the place is good for you, you are worrying yourself. My brothers and sisters, if you want to see how medicine is working, pick Nana Agbazo number and call me. I will show you what you can do and make it. You not be hungry who catch me where I'm coming TV top. Because of the 419 people way, I want to come and let the people and the whole Ghana understand medicine day and the people who are doing 419 today. So I talk a lot. Somebody you can say, Nana Agbazo, what woman did that? You are condemned pastors or spiritual. No. I'm not condemning any pastor or any spiritual man. The pastors, some of the pastors go to the medicine and go and collect the medicine and put the church. and they are going some villages and arrange some sickness people and come to the TV station, you want to do advert for them. That is where pain me and I come on TV station. I want to let the whole Ghana declare everything the people, the way pastors they are doing. Some people you can, some big pastors someday, you can get the money they are getting almost 10 billion a day, and police people you guarding them, then you send the money to the bank. So they are using their brain and collect you people money. It not be anything. If the person pray for you, you can't take anything. Only you come to the church and the person take the money, some of the money, do brebbing, dash car or buy something or house giving people. Then you say, hey, this pastor do this, you do this. You know the money where you take for your accounts inside. Okay, I'll talk a lot. I will do one of two action because the time is not there more. The viewers and listen people, then everybody will see what Nana Agbazo can do. So let me put this thing here. Cameraman, I don't want camera editing. Just hold the camera, then everybody, the whole Ghana, you should see what Nana Agbazo doing now. I want the whole world, everybody should see this mirror. What Nana Agbazo I can do for Ghana people. But from my contemporary and social who's and who again wherever I account up. Hazama Kabacha, power to Asha, don't disgrace me Kabacha, commend you Kabacha. Ni for ma for Jarapa, ni for ma for Jarapa, ni for ma for Jarapa. But from my contemporary and also I'll host is a hoop agenda. Whenever I account with your powers. Hazama Kabacha, power to Asha, don't disgrace me Kabacha. I commend you Kabacha, ni for ma for Jarapa, ni for ma for Jarapa, ni for ma for Jarapa. But from my contemporary and also I'll host is a hoop agenda. Wherever I account with your powers, Hazama Kabacha, power to Asha, don't disgrace me Kabacha, I commend you Kabacha. Ni for ma for Jarapa, ni for ma for Jarapa, ni for ma for Jarapa. I want everybody who are watching this TV station, you yourself, you know, be somebody who tell you how medicine you are moving. I want the whole Ghana, if you're watching this TV station, just watch the thing well. You know, be counterfeit way, I'll go and bring counterfeit, I'm doing TV program or something like that. Because I'm using dwarf will go and bring this money. You know, be only math where you are taking do this work. You know. This one, you know, be only math. You yourself, I want cameraman, you should just hold the camera and the whole Ghana you see. Ni forma for Jarapa, but forma Kumba contemporary and Salvo Caesar Hubagandi. Whenever I come with your power, Hazama Kabacha, power to Asha, don't disgrace me Kabacha, commend you Kabacha. Ni forma for Jarapa, ni forma for Jarapa, but forma Kumba contemporary and Salvo Caesar Hubagandi. Whenever I come with your power, Hazama Kabacha, power to Asha, don't disgrace me Kabacha, commend you Kabacha. Ni forma for Jarapa, ni forma for Jarapa, but forma Kumba contemporary and Salvo Caesar Hubagandi. Whenever I come with your powers, Hazama Kabacha, power to Asha, don't disgrace me Kabacha. I commend you Kabacha. Ni for ma for Jarapa, ni for ma for Jarapa. But from my Kurma contemporary again. Whenever I come with your powers, Hazama Kabacha, power to Asha, don't disgrace me Kabacha. I commend you Kabacha, ni for ma for Jarapa, ni for ma for Jarapa. People who don't understand what you are calling medicine. If you want medicine, let's become a meat. Nana Agbazo, I will show you what you do and bless. You know the only mouth you are taking. This money is what? I don't want camera editing. I'm doing my work in the genuine work. I'm using dwarf. Dwarf who can go and pick this money for you. If you want billion of this money. But you know be joking, 10 million, can bring 10 million, 5 million. Medicine, all type, right? They use human be part and do the money ritual. And money. And if you talk say you are going to medicine, your house people starting crying because you know you can take your wife or your children or your family member do the money work. So if you want the money to make it, you have the items you buy, then you do that money for you. You know, be human being. You go and buy you have the items you buy. If you don't have money, you can't chop, you can't take money. Or if you don't, you can't do the instant money or money ritual. Or if you don't have work, business you are doing, you can't do this work. Me, I don't do small boy work. I'm doing big people, MP, minister, president. I'm dealing with a lot of big people. You know, be small boys work I'm doing here. So if you come, this one will be new currency. I just do this one for show the viewers will see what Nana Agbazo can do for you. If you come, I'll do some of this book for you. You can do the pocket note drive. You didn't see this money. Some of the people there, you don't know this money cry. Maybe if you see counterfeit cry, you know be somebody who will tell you. This one will be 100 cedis. And this one too. Watch the money well. I want cameraman, you should watch the money well. You know be hungry catch human being way. I'm doing this work. You understand? So I want cameraman, you should make clear. Let's watch the box inside. If you come, I will let you do this box for you. That if you want pocket no dry or money ritual, I will let you do this box like this. If you come, only this box you do, then I'll do the medicine for you. Right now, the spiritual day, the box inside, the one you are bringing the money. So if you see the box, you know the box have some pocket where you talk say, oh, I'll do some illegal work or I'll put the money for somewhere. I'm not doing type of the work. And I want to do 2 or 3 actions. So I want to show Ghana people, you should watch this thing well for me. Cameraman, just watch the thing inside. I don't want to do something and people will talk say you hide the money somewhere. I want you to watch the thing inside well. But from my contemporary town, so suppose I hope agenda, whatever I account with your part. Has a Kabacha power to Asha, don't disgrace me Kabacha, comment to Kabacha. Nifoma for Jarapa. I want everybody, the whole Ghana, everybody to see what Nana Agbazo can do for you. This thing all will be medicine. But from my contemporary town, so suppose I hope agenda. Wherever I account with your power, Hazama Kabacha, power to Asha. Don't disgrace me Kabacha. I commend you Kabacha. Ni for ma for Jarapa, ni for ma for Jarapa. But from my contemporary town, so Alhos is Alhoba Jandi. Whenever I account with your powers, I want the whole Ghana, you should see what Nana Agbazo can do for you. Me, I'm not joking with my work. I want the whole Ghana, you should see what Nana Agbazo can do. But from my contemporary town, so Alhos is Alhoba Jandi. Whenever I account with your powers, Hazama Kabacha, power to Asha, don't disgrace me Kabacha. I commend you Kabacha, ni for ma for Jarapa, ni for ma for Jarapa. But from my contemporary time, also Alhos is Alhoba Jandi. Whenever I account with your powers, Hazama Kabacha, power to Asha, don't disgrace me Kabacha. I commend you Kabacha, ni for ma for Jarapa, ni for ma for Jarapa. Bring me more. But from my contemporary time, also Alhos is Alhoba Jandi. Wherever I come with your powers, Hazama Kabacha, power to Asha, don't disgrace me Kabacha. I commend you Kabacha, ni for ma for Jarapa, ni for ma for Jarapa, ni for ma for Jarapa. But from my contemporary town, so Alhos is Alhoba Jandi. Whenever I come with your powers. But from my contemporary town, so Alhos is Alhoba Jandi. Whenever I come with your powers, Hazama Kabacha, power to Asha, don't disgrace me Kabacha. I commend you Kabacha, ni for ma for Jarapa, ni for ma for Jarapa. But from my contemporary town, so Alhos is Alhoba Jandi. Whenever I come with your powers, Hazama Kabacha, power to Asha, don't disgrace me Kabacha. I commend you Kabacha. Ni for ma for Jarapa, ni for ma for Jarapa. But from my contemporary town, so Alhos is Alhoba Jandi. Wherever I come with your powers, Hazama Kabacha, power to Asha, don't disgrace me Kabacha. I commend you Kabacha. Ni for ma for Jarapa, 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 ni for ma for Jarapa. But from my contemporary town, so Alhos is Alhoba Jandi. Wherever I come with your powers, come with your powers. I want the whole Ghana, the cameraman should watch the thing well and see what Nana Agbazo can do. People will talk say maybe the money, I want to remove the money small. I want to come out money here and everybody see what Nana Agbazo can do. But from my contemporary town, so Alhos is Alhoba Jandi. Wherever I come with your power, Hazama Kabacha, power to Asha, don't disgrace me Kabacha. I commend you Kabacha. Ni for ma for Jarapa, ni for ma for Jarapa, ni for ma for Jarapa. But from my contemporary town, so Alhos is Alhoba Jandi. Wherever I come with your powers, Hazama Kabacha, power to Aisha, don't disgrace me Kabacha, I commend you Kabacha, ni for ma for Jarapa, ni for ma for Jarapa. Bafruma Kurba contemporary was also Algosis, Algo Bajandi, whatever I count upon. Hazama Kabacha, power to Aisha, don't disgrace me Kabacha, I commend you Kabacha, ni for ma for Jarapa, ni for ma for Jarapa. Bafruma Akurumba contemporary was also Algosis, Algo Bajandi, whatever I count with your power. Hazama Kabacha, power to Aisha, don't disgrace me Kabacha. I commend you Kabacha, ni for ma for Jarapa, ni for ma for Jarapa. Bafruma akurumba contemporary also Alhosis Alhobajandi, whatever you account with your power. Hazama Kabacha, power to Aisha, don't disgrace me Kabacha, commend you Kabacha, ni for ma for Jarapa. Right now I talk a lot. You yourself, you see what Nana Gbazo do now. You know the only math you are taking to this work. If you want some of the help, take my number and call me. If you want to day abroad and want the money, if you didn't come to call me, video call, I will show you what you do, or WhatsApp me. The 3 numbers I'm using all day for WhatsApp: 0249 80 8699, 0249 80 8699, or 026 999 5548. 026 999 5548. If you want to call Nana Gbazo, make sure you call me video call. After you send the money finish, I'll do the work for you. Call me video call. If you come to my place and somebody deceive you, don't be afraid to call me and explain things for me. Because sometimes I'm trouble. You can come and you didn't see me and my boys collect your money and you didn't do the work what you want. Call me and I'll see what I can do and dress your work for you. So I want to take the whole world stand here, and then everybody who are watching me this TV, you are enjoying it. Bye bye.
So Kambola Nana Gbazo, Unyala Wunda Faru, Agbazo Dumbera. So Kambola Nana Gbazo, Unyala Wunda Faru, Agbazo Dumbera.